If fiber bends too sharply, it can induce internal reflection and potentially snap fibers, both of which can damage data flow. These microbends can be quite small but have a big impact and can potentially cause networking catastrophes for organizations with data loss and/or lack of access to vital information. The cables must be controlled and routed in such a way as to prevent microbends. Fast drop is a unique off-the-shelf mechanism to prevent this from happening. The core of this simple-to-use product is a fiber bend radius control module, which provides the BICSI recommended minimum bend radius for fiber optic cables, assuring consistent data transmission. Fast drop is molded from UL94 V0 flame retardant, impact-resistant polycarbonate, and is rigid enough to withstand large bundle loads. It can quickly snap onto any panel edge up to 0.104 of an inch or 2.7 millimeters and is retained by an RoHS-compliant plated steel clip or screws or rivets. The modules can be used separately as a corner block or together as a fiber spool. The cables can be further managed using an optional hook and loop strap. Fast drop is really useful in managing wires and cables in enclosures, cabinets, patch panels, router racks, switch racks, and many other systems as it provides an almost universal solution for fiber routing. It comes in 3 widths, 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters, 1.75 inches or 4.4 centimeters, or 3 inches or 7.6 centimeters, and in 2 colors, black or beige.